The other day I was filming a video on my iPhone and I was using my Rode Wireless Go. This is the wireless microphone I've been using and recommending for now 3 years, and I love it. I still recommend it. But this is what it ended up sounding like. Say hi. We are going to walk you. Not so great, right? So when that first began to happen, I was thinking that it was a problem with my microphone, with the Rode Wireless Go itself. And then I tried my Rode Wireless Go 2, which is the upgraded version, and the same thing happened. So because it was happening with multiple devices, it had to be a cable issue. So that is the solution to that crackly sound. If that happens to you, it is not the product itself. It's not the Rode Wireless Go. You don't have to call the company. You don't have to ask for a refund. You don't have to replace these pieces. Instead, try first to replace the cable. So the setup for your phone, and this is my most popular video actually, is how to use your Rode Wireless Go with your phone. The setup is a couple cables that are sold separately. So whether you have the original Rode Wireless Go that comes with a receiver and a microphone, or you have the second version that comes with receiver and microphone and maybe another microphone, you still have to use this setup to plug it into your iPhone. At least this is the setup that I use. There may be other setups, but this has worked really great. And what this is 2 additional cables. Number 1 is the SC7 cable made by Rode. That's what they call it. It is TRS, so two rings on this end, and then TRRS, which is 3 rings on this end. So this is the cable that doesn't come with your microphone that you need to buy separately. It's about $15. The black side, 2 rings, goes into your receiver. The 3 rings goes into your phone. And so if you have an iPhone, you'll also need the iPhone lightning cable attachment. There might be a cable out there that goes directly from here to lightning cable. I haven't seen it. It might be out there. I'm not going to get too into that, but this is what has worked for me for years. And then it started going crackly. And I use both the original microphone that I have and the second version, and they were both crackly, which means it was a cable issue. So what did I do? I replaced this cable. This SC7 cable had to be replaced. So that is my accident. When I was actually recording the other day, the video I just showed you, I was recording with this Rode brand and I forgot that it had gone bad. Whoops. So instead of replacing it with the Rode brand, which you totally can, it's just sold out oftentimes, you can get a generic brand. So if you look for TRS to TRRS cable, this is what's going to come up. This is $10. So it's 2/3 the price of the Rode brand cable. The generic brand works great. So that's the fix. So simply get a new cable, try again, and your crackling sound should disappear. Now, if you're like me and also plug it into your phone and your computer and other devices, you might try replacing other cables too. So I've replaced this USB cable as well. It depends on your computer and what you're using, but you may just need a couple cable replacements. So if you find your sound is now crackling and you're worried that you have to spend a lot of money for a new wireless microphone, do not fret. Just go ahead and get some new cables. And I will make sure to link some of the cables down in the description and in a pinned comment so you can go check them out. If you're in the US, you can use these links. Otherwise, just search for something that can work for you in whatever country you're in. So it's not your microphone, it's probably your cables. All right, does that help you? Okay, if you are interested in more beyond microphones and tech stuff, I actually train yoga teachers in business and video marketing, YouTube, and all of those things. So I wanted to share that as well. My whole channel is not just dedicated to audio equipment. This is just what I happen to be able to explain in very simple terms for those of you who are like me, who don't have a lot of background in tech equipment and you just want to explain simply. Replace the cables and you should be good. Do you like my new hat? It's been 3 years since I started using Rode microphones, and I'm not sponsored by them. They don't pay me to say any of this stuff. It's just the microphone that I've really loved using, and I've been creating videos about it. Well, they finally saw them and sent me a few things, which was fun.